Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a review of the Echo product I have, and finna start cutting with it. Finna use it to cut a tree down with, and I got 3 units out here that made from Echo, and I'm finna introduce you to them. All right, here you go. Okay, you got the Timberwolf, the cs590. That's a 20-inch bar chainsaw. That's a pretty strong piece of equipment right there. And I got the pole saw here, the ppt2620, and I got the cs310 also here too. But I'm gonna try to use all 3 of these. I don't have to use all 3 of these. I'm just doing a review of them both. All 3 of them, all 3 of them. But I don't have to use them like this. But I'm gonna take the pole saw and cut like the branches off on the side, and down side of them like this. Here, like this small branch here, that right here. I'm gonna take that one, them off. Small branch right there, take it off. Little stuff like that. And them 2 built ones, I think I'm gonna drop one of them. Yeah, one of them built ones there to help me with it. And we gonna do that, and I'm gonna cut all this up today and pile it up, and probably, like I said, I might put it all up today. I might just come back tomorrow and haul it off. I don't know. It depends on, cause that's a lot of pieces of wood there. But I'm gonna get it down and drop it today. All right, stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna get started. The cs310, I'm gonna take it in with the 14-inch ball and cut this up. Good chainsaw. I ain't even started today. Take the hose off. You get that side right there. One that hanging towards the left. And I'm gonna drop it down. Okay. still be able to get it on the with the chainsaw. I can get it with it, but I'm gonna take the pole saw and cut into it, then I get it down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go up high, get the camera a little closer. I'm gonna go up high and cut that off. Start right here in the front and cut it off. Move the limb, throw them over here. Keep working my way down, then I'm gonna get in the front and do the same. And then once I do that, then I got that limb all beat up. Then I'm gonna take the pole saw and cut my way up top, like where I can't reach it. I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna come in the front and do it. All right, bring you a little closer. All right. Let's see. Okay. All right, get back to it. I take a little cs310 and wipe the rest of it. But while I was cutting it, I saw that I had loose pieces on there, and I know which way it was going. So I knew I was standing right now. That's why I did with the pole saw, so I could move back just in case it kicked back. But I had all that covered because I was looking at what I was doing. It may seem like I wasn't paying attention, but I was. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get all this cleaned up, and then I'll bring the rest of it down. But I got it all ready to go. I can pick it up and clean it up, and and pile it up out here. Hold on, let me give you a view of that. I'm take it. I'm gonna cut that side down next, and then I'm gonna drop the whole tree, and then that's gonna be all she wrote. Then I'm gonna give you a review of that also. Okay. Well, right now I got everything piled right here, but I'm gonna push the piles up. And what this is, you remember I don't know, you go back to one of those videos when I was showing that I was cutting this part here with the tractor, and I think I had showed what I was doing, what I was gonna do earlier this year, and that was real woody, that area where the fence at. And now I'm cleaning it out, got it all cleaned up and everything, and cause you couldn't even go in there. It was real woody in there, so I got all that cleaned up. I cleaned all that up early this week, and now I'm about to just get all this up. I bought my little tractor with me, got the front end load on. I'm gonna show you a little view how I put it on, how I have it piped on there, and how did I haul it on and stuff like that. But I should show you, I come back. All right. Okay, you see how I'm doing with the scrub, with all the limbs and stuff. I piled it up on there, and I let my tractor there with the front end load on. I'm gonna have to get me a grapple, a little small grapple. I don't do too much major work like this all the time, but I do a good bit of this sometimes. And see, like all that, I gotta clean all this out one day. So we been talking about getting all this cleaned out, but he want that section clean. I do a little bit for him at a time, so it won't be so expensive for him. But I'm piling it right there, and I just take the bucket and drive it over there and dump it. But that's all. But we'll get back to it, Richard. Thank you. Okay, I'm back with this tree here. What I'm gonna do? Take the poles off. And I'm gonna put that nail right there that's hanging over on that side over there, and I'm gonna drop it. And I'm gonna take the chainsaw and cut it in half, and I'm gonna just pick it up and take it out there, and put it to the pile, and then I'm gonna come back and drop it to it. Okay.
Okay, I'm giving you an idea how I pick up brush when I cut it up like that, but I'm about to get me a drop. But next time I come back, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna drop that tree.
Okay. All right, I'm finna drop this tree here, the remainder of this tree, and I'm gonna give you a little view of it. All right, you see, I'm gonna show you where all of it scrub, tuck in, and everything before I drop it. Yeah, that kind of snapped over like toe on me, but it was okay. I'm gonna cut it down at the bottom of the face of it, and I'm gonna lay it over. Yeah. What I did just a few minutes ago, when I dropped the tree, when I dropped that limb, I just killed all the scrub out here, cause he got to burn a lot of trash out. He got to burn a lot. I mean, he got a lot to burn, so I just put it to the side until he come here, and then we'll burn it. But okay, let's get to this and finish this up and head back to the house. And I'm gonna use the cs590 Echo, and like I said, I give you another little review of them. I used it, the little 310, the 14-inch ball, and I used the pole saw. I didn't stand it out. I could have stand it out. I got some limbs off, but I said I wasn't gonna do it today, and I just let it just use it like that. But that's a good way of bringing a tree down that size if you want to. And it's a good way of doing it. But I'm gonna take the 590. I can do it with the 310, but I don't want to put that more pressure on it. And I have it's the chainsaw, another chainsaw that I use, not too much, but I use it some. But well, all right, I'm gonna get to it. You get time to fall. You get time to fall, you do not rush it. You see how I stopped with caution and see what was going on? Cause it should have failed. But I waited and been patient with it and dropped it. It came on down. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all see a little footage of me wreck these that 590. That's a bad chainsaw, y'all. And check it out, and I'm gonna give y'all a little footage of me cutting with it. Right here. Alright. All right, drop the tree, cut it down, got it cut all up, ready to move it. And I think I did that by less than 5 minutes. Cut that tree up, drop that little portion of that tree down, and cut it up. All right, that's DWJ Lawn Service, y'all. I'm out. Okay. Y'all see that I cut everything and removed everything. It's getting late, so I'm just finna shed it now. But see, well, I was gonna show y'all the rest of the view, but I think I'm gonna show y'all this here. DWJ Lawn Service. Okay. This is the remainder of it. Y'all see I have got everything up, cleaned it back up and everything, and now we on to the next project. And we have got this all clean. Well, I came back to Tuesday and got the rest of it up. It wasn't that much, but I'll show you a little clip of it, what was there first, before I show you this part of it. But it's over with, y'all. That DWJ Lawn Service. Nah. Okay.